So yes guys, so here what now, we're gonna get some patties. I know we stop and get the favorite patty. And I know Shane I get used to the patty thing now.
Yeah.
Shane start eat patty 7 days a week. No, go that way.
Not so much. Eat patty, make it.
Yeah.
Consume that.
So whenever you're walking with Dee and she said something and she said that looks nice, it just pull her and she continue walking. Because yes.
And me and when to reach home, she say you don't make me get that. You make me get that.
Just pull her and say yo what's going. So yeah, we're gonna get some patties, we got mothers. But you know Dee like mother's patty more. If me like mother's patty more still. The sire one. So me like it more than anything else. So we're gonna get some patty before we go up in the hills. You know, to check out. See, look all the way down here by myself. So we're gonna get some patties at Mother's. Rasta man, actually, finally find the Rasta man. Ooh, finally find the Rasta man. Wait, I mean, how does it feel now? All the way Africa.
He thought I left. I haven't left. Tell him.
Can't left. She been talking about the Rasta. You know, have to go back to see my Rasta man. I'm like, okay, no problem. And here we are. She finally.
Rasta.
Hey, hard-working Rasta. You like hard-working man, you know? And she finally
no
find
sweat, no honey.
You need to make that song. She finally find the Rasta man. You know, I'm telling you, the view here is wonderful. Wonderful view. And look, I'm gonna take you to see the view. Watch the view. Cause I know you see the view already, but I just cannot get enough of this view. Just start listening now and look. How can you get enough of this view? Like this was right there. So imagine from there looking over here. Just look at this view. Just look at this view. Jamaica is so beautiful. And so here's a nice lovely location. We got the pool, you have tennis court, you have the chef done to order anything you want. But right now I'm prepare the pork ready. So we're here with Ben, as I must say. We're gonna check out inside. Wow. So this is the sitting area.
Yeah, this is the living room.
The living room right here. Wow.
Yeah. Wow. But it's messy now. No, see everything is scattered. It's not.
Yeah. Wow. Imagine if there was a woman here to keep all these things in order.
Yeah, see, I can't do outside job and do inside job.
Yeah.
That's breaking.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Hello, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
My brother.
You didn't introduce yourself, you know.
No, because I was on the phone and I'm so sorry.
Okay.
So that's why I say I'm coming now to introduce myself. And my apology, you know. My name is Kino. Yeah,
My name is Ben.
Ben. So
Yeah.
Kino from Kino Life in Jamaica. You're from Ben from
Well, Toronto, Canada, but I am here now.
here now.
Yeah, originally from Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Yeah, but I left Nigeria a long time ago.
A long time
Too
ago.
much trouble there.
Too much trouble.
Yeah.
And Jamaica is where you find the peace, love.
problem.
Who told you that?
Oh, you know what? At the first, Mr. Someone with so much eyebrow.
Yeah, what do you mean, bro?
So much. It's unique, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.
Unique.
Yeah, man.
You say you're a unique man.
Thank you very much.
Very
man.
unique. So
Well,
welcome,
I
my
love
brother.
Jamaican people. That's why I'm here, man.
Well,
This guy is my son. He never leave me behind. Whenever he's around,
Oh,
he comes
shame.
to- of course.
so
come
you
check
here
me.
and we want to go. How that work out? We want to go Africa.
Yeah, a lot of my Jamaican friends been to Africa and come back.
Yeah,
Most
well,
of them are artists.
I'm going there though. I'm going there very
want-
soon.
yeah?
Yeah, man. I need to get that.
My friend just came from Kenya.
Yeah,
If I tell I go Kenya girl is here, he will come here. He stayed in Kenya for like 6 months.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you have a wonderful place here though, you know.
Well, yeah.
So me just get myself lost.
Yeah.
And just go and take in the sightseeing.
Yeah.
You know, and thank you so much. You know, hopefully we can live like you one day. You know, living like this. You know, looking on that view.
Yeah, man, bro. You're welcome anytime, brother.
That's
We're
what I
trying to
want.
put it together, you know. Nobody knows about this place. We want to advertise it.
That is what's gonna happen. So we're gonna help you advertise
But
it.
you're gonna make commission too, because
Of course.
yeah, I do a lot of pool parties here.
What?
They
We're gonna talk.
Yeah,
We're gonna
they've
talk.
done the biggest events in this villa here.
Yeah.
Yeah, with all kinds of events. here.
Okay. Wow.
But they have to get their permit from parish council.
Okay, by the parish council.
Yeah, to do anything here. Yeah.
So listen, that is my brother. My brother from Africa. You know. I'm telling you, the view here is wonderful. Wonderful view. And look, I'm gonna take you to see the view. Watch the view. Cause I know you see the view already, but I just cannot get enough of this view. Just start listening now and look. How can you get enough of this view? Like this is was right there. So imagine from there looking over here. Just look at this view. Just look at this view. Jamaica is so beautiful. If you're scared of height, don't look down. Boom. So here, look at that. Look how high we are, above sea level. Just look over there. Where you see those buildings, Oliver, Carla. And boom, down the mines. That's the Moon Palace over there you're looking at. Over there is the Moon Palace you're looking at right over there. Those two buildings, you know, and you have the cruise ship right there as well too. You know, so you can see the whole of the main street as well too from here. You know, you can see the main street, and that's the Moon Palace over there. You know, and but may I tell you, this view, you just cannot get enough of this view. Listen, cause over there you can see them doing some work, building up some more places, more like some Airbnb and stuff. But trust me, you just cannot get enough of this view. Imagine waking up, looking over. Just imagine that. He's all the way from Nigeria, you know, living here in Jamaica. This wonderful view and everything. As him say here, you know, him trying to get it fixed up, you know, where him can start rent it out, you know, Airbnb and stuff. So him have pool as well too. Like this is literally the drive yard, you know, this is where we drive around, you know, so you can drive around and stuff. So here them got the pool, but as I say, he's trying to get it fixed up and things. So wow, and this pool is quite deep. So you know, if you can't see, you got a problem, so you can see the pool needs some fixture up and stuff. So eventually you will fix it up. So he's trying to get things back up and running because it seems like he will have a setback. But as you can see, you cannot lose from having something like this. You know, you cannot lose by having something like this. Imagine coming here, you're walking in the morning, stretching your legs. You got the you got the ship over there. You know, over here you got another building right here. You know, so walking in the yard. So over there is another, like a little podium. You know, over there with something going like a little stage. Because in here look like we can keep events. In here, imagine keeping an event here. Up there is a stage. So that's a step to go up on the stage. So you can go up more flights up. And this is another deck where probably the selector can stay. But this is another deck to the stage, as you can see, you know. So as I'm saying, them keep a lot of event up here as well. As you can see, there's a lot of event that keeps here as well too. You know, we're here, you know, Ocho, up in the hills. As you can see, we're up in the hills. So you can come here, you can sit down, you can relax. You can see the place just want to renovate back a bit, you know, like cleaning up, and you can get in business up and running again, you know. So imagine if this was up and running, you'll be screaming for help because there will be so much booking, and just overlooking everything that here, you know. So you want to step here. Just imagine, you know, business right here overlooking everything. You know, it is so wonderful. It is so wonderful. So I'm taking you to the front. You know, as you can see, we come. This is where you drive from down in. You know, and that view, Jesus crime. Oh Lord, it makes me don't want to move away from this view. Just look, you know, but here, but I forgot to walk away from it. But I don't want to walk left the view. Tell the truth. I mean, you that's watching don't want to move away from this view. But I just want to show you the front part, you know, and everything. And then we'll come back to the view, because this view, I just cannot get enough of it. It's too much and I cannot get enough of it. You know, just take a look at the view. Oh, wonderful is this. So up here is where we're coming from with the entrance, you know. So that's where I park right there. So coming in, you have another building over here. More look like probably security home or someone that will stay on the property to help it out. You know, and a lot of palm trees over there. And you have the basketball, you have a basketball court here. So there's a lot of work need to get done, you know. And here's where you have like the outside toilets and everything. So probably for guests who come visit and outside, probably running up and down or something, you know. And then here now you have a little basketball court where you can enjoy yourself, having fun, you know. So this is inside the yard. This is pretty much inside the yard. So you have another property, I guess, over there. So he's right next to, so this is his property, and where you see the fence, it's another property over there for Airbnb. So this is the building right here, this house right here. So as you can see, when he came in, he was doing some work, you know. So he's the one that doing his own work right now and everything. So this was the gate that we came into, and this look like is the dye we use for the floor, you know. So this is the red dirt dye we might use to get the place clear out, you know. This is the red dirt dye, and then we have a little garden. So I swear we can hear some water running. So so here now you have a little river. There's so much avocado in the water. Look at that avocado right till it has dropped off a tree. Yeah? So look, there's the avocado tree there. Loaded with avocados as well too. So you have the river where I run here as well too. Run all the way down. So run underneath this building. Okay. So up this direction is where you go as well, to go to Konoko Falls. So I guess Konoko Falls, it sounds like it's, is it next door? So this is the water you're running from this side. So I guess Cause you know me as a man, I like to explore, and whenever I go anywhere, I have to explore. They call me Dora the Explorer. Right, so you have a step where you can go down and meet. Wow. Look, so you have the avocado, you have to, hey, drop and burst. Avocado drop and burst. So look at that. They turn the avocado then drop and then wash under. So I guess this is Konoko Falls over here. If I'm not so sure, I'm gonna go next door and find out what's going on over here. Right? So the water is running from there, so I don't know if anyone watching, if anyone where this river running from, the stream. So I guess Konoko Falls may be next door. Alright, so as you say, we're right up on the hill and everything. Hello! Oh, see? You're right next to Konoko Falls. I know, I wasn't wrong. You know? So literally you're right next to Konoko Falls. So this is Konoko Falls Park. Because from here the sound, I could tell you that was right next to Konoko Falls. So we have a one avocado. It's not good enough, people, so we throw it back in the bush, make it grow. So you have the Konoko Falls here, right here. Konoko Falls and Park, right here. Pre-sold tours entry, main entrance. This is Konoko Falls. So we here at Konoko Falls. You know, this is the falls that we at. Look at this one. It look like it's probably you have to pay to get in or something where you can. So there's a fall as well too, as you can see. There is a fall. So I guess you have to pre-sold tour entry. So I guess you have to pay to get in. So we're gonna visit that another day. So right now, right around here, so it's just so cool, so nice. All the tree, the nature, and everything. Look at this tree, it's so big. The root of this tree is so big. Wow. The root of this tree. This tree is so big, you know. So I don't think Konoko Falls is right over there. So I guess I'm not gonna. So another day we'll take you guys into the Konoko Falls. So the main thing is here where we at, you know. Here where we at, you know. So let me go find out how it works as well too. You know, cause anyone is a man. Let me find out how it works. You know, so we at Konoko Falls, so I'll find out how the tour go and everything. So I'm stepping in. Hey, I'm stepping in. So yeah, so I'm right now in Konoko Falls. Gonna find out, get some information. How does it works? You know, because you know, say everywhere now in this place you have to pay to enter and do what you're doing. So I guess it's the Konoko Falls. Excuse me, good afternoon. Can you explain to me how it works here?
Close, sir.
Close?
Yeah, I'm 4.
Oh, from 4. So is there entry fee to get in or something?
Yeah, it's 2,000 with a resident ID. Non-resident $20 or $3,000.
Okay, you get a tour, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm a YouTuber, so I guess I'm late. So I'll just come back tomorrow to get a tour then, right?
No problem.
Alright then, lovely. So what's in here, like falls?
It's a falls and park.
Falls and park?
Yeah.
Okay. But you see
We
like...
have a garden on that side. Local plants, birds, fishes, museum, gift shop.
Where? Where, on the other side there?
This side.
Oh, if I come out and go up the road?
No man, if you come in.
Oh, okay, if you come in.
It's part of the tour.
Oh, it's part of the tour.
And we have a zoo down there, so you can interact with animals. Macaw, iguana, snakes, bar and grill, waterfalls, lookout point.
Okay. Well, it's feel to walk. Because through me it's near the water running. And then me hear the noise and so I said, let the walk come over, but I never know it was so close to the Konoko Falls.
Okay.
You know, because I always hear about it, but the first time, so close. So I would definitely, if that tomorrow, I'll pass by my next YouTuber friend, she's from Kenya, and come, I'll just do a visit and for the tour.
I'll be here.
Alright then, what's your name?
Sharon.
Sharon. Nice to meet you, Chino.
Alright.
General, what you name?
Chef David.
Chef David.
Yeah, man.
Look like a Chinese chef, you know, the proper chef, you know.
So you're here tomorrow, you can just check to buy the grill.
Yeah.
Grill and bar.
Alright then.
So during the tour you can.
Yeah, but you can swim in here? Can you swim in here? What are you for swim?
There's a pool over there. Yeah.
Okay, so we can come prepare for swim and everything.
Yeah.
Alright.
Also on the falls, there's also an entrance pool there.
Yeah.
By the falls.
So is it too late for we get a tour?
Oh, it's actually closing time now. So
Closing time.
yeah, everybody's actually getting ready to leave.
Yeah.
Because it's not a night opening.
Yeah.
Most of the day.
So you are getting ready for go home now?
Yeah, I'm going now. Yeah, so we'll leave.
Yeah, alright, so tomorrow we'll definitely come by, yeah? Big up yourself, David. Alright, Sharon, blessings all. No smile, man, smile. Yes. Yeah, man, so alright, so tomorrow now we can come and get an update on everything, you know, so. It's Konoko Falls. I know Oliver must be in here already. You know, Oliver, I know which part in Jamaica Oliver do go, so. This is the river running under Konoko Falls there. Wow. Jamaica. So beautiful, you know? So beautiful. What a wonderful island we have here, eh? What a wonderful, so. Go back over, go check Ben. I'm say Ben is right next to the Konoko Falls. This is so ideal to have a business right next here. So this is like a gold mine, you know, because when anyone book, you can easily walk out and just walk there, you know. Chika Villa. So that is the villa. Just look how wonderful this is. You know, what more can you get? Hey, my brother Ben from Africa, you know, I don't know what happened, but here all it needs is some resurrection to rise again, you know. And I know this place will rise again, you know. I'm gonna say hopefully, you know, we're gonna talk and we can try to help him more get the promotion out there. Remember, I'm gonna ask him when is he open or whatsoever, or what can happen, so we can get people start to come here and book the place. You know, it can work. Trust me, it can work. Somewhere like this, as I said, I know one day my dream will come true. When I want to own an Airbnb close to some views, to the beach, to somewhere, you know. I know the Almighty will bless me definitely one day. One day, so we're back at where the view is. We're back to where the view is. So look where the man is, right next to the fall and everything. Hey, oh gosh, you can't hear the parrots them from here. He's right next to all the nature. Remember, if you're watching, guys, remember to put the thumbs up, you know, give the video a like, and you know, if you haven't subscribed, you can please go and subscribe. Remember, we're on the road to 50k, you know, but we have to pass 40 first, so let us get to 40, and when we're at 40, you know, we're on the road. Well, so as I said, the view. The pool here is very deep. It's very deep. So imagine when this clean out. So as I said, man, the view, man, is so lovely. It's so lovely. And we just cannot get enough of this wonderful view. Look now. Just look at it. Look at it. Yes, it's so high you feel like you're on top of the world right now. So much on top of the world. Look, so much on top of the world. So much. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How beautiful can this get? Just cannot get enough. We just cannot get enough of this. Wow. We just cannot get enough of this. You know, it's so wonderful, man. So wonderful, guys. So as I may say, wow, it's beautiful. The view is extraordinary. Wow. Ben.
Yes, brother.
Paradise, yeah, man.
You were busy videoing somewhere.
Yeah, paradise. I went over by Konoko Falls. I never know you were so close. I never know.
Bring business here, you get your commission, brother.
Yes, man. So, alright, so is it open for business now, Ben?
Of course. That's why you see me staying. We just finished that now and fet all the tops, fill up the pool.
Okay, so you're open for business now, right?
Yeah.
So you have rooms here available and everything?
I have one or two. You want to see the room?
Yeah. We're going to give you some view of the rooms. Yeah, so we're going to, so it's open for business, you know. So guys, guess what? Just get the good news. It's open for business. So, you know, once it's open for business, I'm going to start to, remember the contact number will be there. You know, you can contact me same way because we are the connection. It's right next to Konoko Falls. Yeah, it's right next to Konoko Falls, and trust me, him say once we bring in business, commission will be in it for us. You know, so this is a good thing for us, you know, to bring in some business right here. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Oh, wonderful is this blessings, you know. Oh, wonderful is this. So we're gonna bring some business here, you know, guys. So here it's right next to the Konoko Falls. As we say, we can come and we can book it, and we have the Konoko Falls right next door. You get me? You have Margaritaville right over there. You know, you have the main street, Ocho. You have everything right here in this circle, you know. So we want to get the pool up and running. You know, we definitely want to get the pool up and running. So when you come here, you have the pool, you know. We can go and do their business in the pool. So we want to get the pool up and running. You know, it's no joke thing. We want to get the pool up and running so you can come and enjoy yourself, you know. So let's get this place back up and running, you know. So the man said once you bring in business, you know, we get some commission. So what are you saying, guys? What do you think? Just tell me what you think. So once we come off the camera, we're going to talk business so we can make sure say everything worthwhile, you know. So we're going to do some confidential talking off camera and see if we can get this thing booming. So come on, so get ready for packing a bag and everything, because I know so they're going to need the pool. So make sure so we get the pool started out and everything. And you know, as I say, I might try to start over the yard and things. So, but we all have to come together and make things grow, you know. That is it. We have to make things grow. So stay tuned. I'm going to speak to him back in a minute so you can know what's going on. Dream team. So we're here with Ben. As I say,
Let's check it out.
we're going to check out inside.
Look like, then I want to show you.
Wow. So this is the sitting area.
Yeah, this is the living room.
The living room right here. Wow.
Yeah. Wow. But it's messy now. No, see, everything is scattered. It's not.
Yeah. Wow. Imagine if there was a woman here to keep all these things in order.
Yeah, see, I can't do outside job and do inside job.
Yeah.
That's breaking.
Okay, so this is one of the rooms them as well too.
Yeah.
This is one of the rooms then. So as I say, whenever the guest is coming. Okay, so you have a big bed here. This is like a king bed day.
Yeah, it's a king bed. It's so big.
Yeah, but You see, the bathroom is a little bit on. They're gonna do the tiles here, so
Okay.
it is more. But people still you take it for 1 day or 2.
So how many rooms is in here in this building?
3. Well, there's 5.
5 room.
Yeah.
You already have the
So this is one.
Yeah.
Let me see there. So this
There's
is
3 downstairs, but the one upstairs is occupied.
okay. So this is one right here. You know, you have your good
Like
treadmill.
I said again, you have to dress the place. Because right now they wash out the sheets and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is 2 bed over here and
Double
thing.
bed, and it has its own suite too.
All sweet.
Yeah, see, every one of them they're gonna do the tile.
Yeah, the tiles are already here.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the AC work and everything, right?
Everything works.
Bathroom.
Everything
All
work.
of them are en suite.
Yeah.
Wow.
En suite. This is.
She pronounces well unsweet.
Yeah, that's it. En suite.
Unsweet.
En suite.
Yeah.
2 beds here.
Big, and I love how you have real antique stuff. Look at that. Right now, I don't think if you can find it.
No, you can't. It's very antique.
Wow.
All these things come from Toronto because remember I shipped a container here about 2
Okay.
containers.
So this is a treasure chest.
Yeah, treasure chest.
You opens up, you can store your things in.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we're gonna ID inside of it.
And still me.
1, 2. Like I said, the place, you see the clothes I wash, I just take them and dump here.
Yeah, just washed. Hey, but you really a hard-working person. Imagine a man doing all this.
All that, doing
Lovely.
everything. When somebody say they're gonna rent the room, I will leave outside and come inside and begin to
And let's
clean
set it
and
up.
do again and set
Yeah.
up. This area again, you see, some people check out from me and they never come in here.
Okay, so from them check out.
Yeah, from the time they check out, I didn't sew the bed, nothing is made. All this bed sheet, everything we taken out to wash.
So you definitely need a cleaner.
Yeah, that door comes on. Everything is private entrance. You know, they come in through the door here.
Yeah, you see?
That's the washroom. See, they are coming from.
Private. Yeah,
Okay.
from
this
here. We're
section,
already
where you're
outside.
Okay, what you about jerk on it? They want to keep
Yeah.
them thing and
Jack
jerk.
pan is here.
You can jerk.
3.
Come on.
They've
Listen.
been my inspiration.
Wait, so we're gonna keep the party here, D? You're gonna keep the party
The
here?
guys that keep party, you know how much money they. One guy made like 3 million in 1 day.
Hey, let me say, D, come here. Let me say, I still have it.
Wow.
Let me say, I still have it.
Hey. Kino. Hey.
You know how to play piano.
Me too, I know how to play. It's my turn now.
Great.
Kino, okay, bye.
Finish song.
Me to touch it. Okay, I give it for you.
If you still have the
Hey, I still got it, man. Come D, your turn.
everywhere, yes. Yeah.
Alright, play it in a higher tone.
I still can't imagine the wife went and left all this.
10 years she hasn't been here. 10 years. She hasn't been here.
Hey, that not work.
Yeah, she's mad. See, the kitchen is a mess. Something will take a view. Like, I'm gonna do only kitchen cabinets. The roof, keep it dry.
Hell Shaddai. Wow.
63.
Yeah.
So this property is not something that we think is built in 63.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the year this property was built.
D, look. Hey,
Black beans.
the black beans. He's got the black beans.
These things have been sitting here for a very long
So this is the kitchen area
yeah,
and
this
stuff.
mess is all in
Yeah.
cabinet.
So we need to get some cleaners and come clean up and get the thing up
Yeah,
and running.
if you wanna do a party here, I tell you now they cook over there, they put everything and cook over.
But yeah, right here, catch D now.
He has more piano lesson than you.
Yeah, I got more lesson, right? She's trying her best. But me like this, you know, so
Looks like.
This is antique house. It's
Very
built in
antique.
Guys, one
1963.
thing with Jamaica, people don't leave shoes outside. Only me. Look at
Only
the
you, you're smart.
Look
That's
at
why
the
the place is dirty. And people shoot around.
so this
That's Jamaican thing.
In here is already dirty, so when you come in here without shoes, that's already dirty.
Wow, guys, look, we have this the pool, dresses, right?
Very antique. So guys, as I say, it's available. Give them your contact information.
Yeah.
You know, as I say, if anyone want to get
The number here is 876-464-8644. Chika Villa.
Chika Villa.
Yes.
So as I say, once in the booking, just mention say Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah.
They recommend me and Demo and go,
Open the cup, please.
Yeah.
I need to check the what?
And I say upstairs already occupied, right?
Yeah. I could have. Next time when you come, I'll show you upstairs.
All right then. So next upstairs is already
The
occupied.
entire upstairs is one monster suite.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say, guys, if you're interested, you know, the view is here. You know, as I mean, say, I don't know what's been happening, but it's a little setback for business. You know, so now I'm trying to get it back up and running, right?
Yes.
So I'm trying to get back on his feet. So it's just us now to help him grow. You know, and come and give it a support.
Yeah.
You know, as I say, him try and best him alone. If him get a phone call and say him have a bookings, him go and try to clean up and everything. So commission is a bit low for him right now, but he's just trying his best to get this back up and running, because come on, the view is to miss, is to this. So look at this view. It's very cool right now. So cool. Trust me, you don't need AC in them rooms. AC will only make it freeze, like yeah. And the avocados tree over there, coconut, everything is here, man. Everything is here. It's very lovely. I like it, you know.
See merengue tree.
And the merengue tree, yeah. And noni tree. So guys, if you're interested, you know, I want to come book. It's right next to Konoko Falls. As I say, step right outside. You have the fall over there. You can book for get the zoo. You know, snakes, everything over there. You can have a waterfall, you have a pool over there, you can swim, and the mouse have a pool. So, what we can do to get the pool up and running back again? What can we do to get the pool?
Just clean it and repaint it.
Just clean it and repaint it?
Yeah, that's it.
Because we're going to need to have that up and running.
Yeah, it's supposed to be up now soon.
Alright, so that's what we want to get up.
Yeah.
The pool. Once we get the... So you have the paint already?
My guy is getting it.
Yeah, man.
And the whole floor there would be all done nice too.
Yeah, man. So we'll just get it paint and get it up and running. You know, come chill out and everything. So when you call, you can get the pricing, you know, how much for a night. And trust me, this is your own space. You can jerk, do anything you want for the outdoor cooking, your music and everything. And down there is where you can go and enjoy yourself. Trust me, you cannot go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Alright, so remember, I'm going to tell you about this building. Him say if you go up on top of it, where you get the most serious view. So over here is what now, Ben? So over here, alright, so I'm going to take out the serious view from up this side. So over here is what? Over here is a guest room?
Huh?
Is a guest room over here?
No, that's taken already.
Oh, it's taken already?
Yeah, but the stairs upstairs you can go on top.
Okay. So I'm going up. Wow. Wow, up here, so the serious view there. Yeah. So up here they put the jerk pan. Up here we bring the jerk pan, the roast the fish, and them jerk the chicken. Wow.
See the view up there?
Yeah. I'm getting higher than higher. So look at that now, look how high. So high, Ben.
Yeah. So you see everything. Huh?
Everything. Wow. I don't understand, you know, place like this, you know, with this where you have, all you need now is the strength to get it back up and running, because here should be loading with bookings.
Of course.
You know.
But it's because of the corona. Here is, I said we did the most exclusive pool party here. Parish Council knows about this place.
Yeah.
When they did caution here, one police chief with bodyguard came here and looking for a place that can take 5,000 people. And the only spot they found was here.
Was here.
Yeah.
And trust me, this is the
A lot
place.
of parking.
Yeah.
Everything.
Loads of parking, man, and everything, and big spacious. The place is very big and spacious. And over there would be the stage.
Yeah.
You know, where everyone can stay down here and then watch
You
the
see the
performance.
difference when I stay on the floor versus here. See why I'm doing what I'm doing,
Yeah,
because the place, the rain, the downpour that come here mash up everything, you know.
Yeah.
If heavy rain come, it turn the concrete black.
Wow.
So every year I have to do this to last another year.
Yeah.
So every December I have to get the floor polished. Yeah.
Because we can see a start from out there.
Yeah, I start from there coming. That section I haven't done it. You see how this section I did?
Yeah. And you do everything by yourself?
I do everything by myself. Well, there's nothing I have no other choice.
That is true. You have to do it.
I have to do it.
You have to do it.
Yeah, I pay some guys sometimes, but they think I don't pay them enough, so they go get where they go to where they get more money.
Yes.
So when I wake up, I take a step at a time.
Yes.
Yeah.
One step at a time, you will definitely get there. But but I'm saying with D program and my program, trust me, you will be getting bookings.
From up here, let me call her here.
Yeah.
So from here.
D.
Yo, come there.
So up here is where you get the view, you know.
This is where I wanted to put my master suite, my master bedroom. The whole upstairs, just one master bedroom.
Yeah, up here.
Yeah.
It is so wonderful up here, I'm not lying.
So, and all gonna be all glass panels, right?
Okay.
You know.
Wow. So all of this is over there. The piece of land is yours as well,
everything,
right?
Yeah. Over there, we want to do like a pool. See where the grass is. I can maintain the grass. The grass grew over me. The guys to cut it is 4,000 or 5,000 they want, and they grow into bush now.
So you're gonna put a pool over there?
I want to do 4 feet high pool because this is too deep for some people.
Yeah, because it's deep.
Too deep. No big places use. What I want to do there is like wide water kingdom. You use 8-inch block and block all around it, right? And cast and fix it up nice, and then you have a volleyball net in between, have basketball nets, water sports. 4 feet here, and kids with full here making noise.
Yeah.
Moving.
Yeah, because that is like how many feet deep? 6?
Oh, that's 9 feet.
9 feet.
The deep part is 9 feet. I've never been inside that pool. I don't know how to swim.
So you have the pool, you never swim in
No,
there?
never. I just clean it and fill it up. Come through the staircase.
I come through the staircase.
Yeah, right here, sir. So nine. So guys, as I say, here we're gonna recommend it because obviously we got more than room, so we're gonna spend time here as well too, when you can see for yourself that we really enjoy ourselves and everything. You know, we can do outdoor cooking, you know, and everything. So blessed love to all, blessed love to all. So remember, if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, go and put the thumbs up to Keenan Life in Jamaica. And if you haven't subscribed, remember to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching Keenan Life in Jamaica. We're bringing you all the best content we can bring in the tour, the guide and everything. So please check out Keenan Life in Jamaica. Let's go and subscribe. Thanks. Where you buy food? Food I buy? Huh? How much? 17?
Yes, sir.
So you're not in school, what go on?
I'm not really aware.
Huh?
I'm not really aware.
About not really aware. So yes guys, so here what now? We're gonna get some patties. I know every step and get the favorite patty. And I know Shane I get used to the patty thing now.
Yeah.
Shane eat patty 7 days a week. No, go that way.
Not so much. Keep patty, eat.
Yeah.
Consume that.
So Shane, whenever you're walking with Dee and she said something and she said that looks nice, it just pull her and she continue walking. Because yes.
And me and one went to reach home, she said you don't make me get that. You let me get that.
Just pull her and say yo, what's going on? So we're gonna get some patties, we got mothers. But you know, Dee like mother's patty more. If you like mother's patty more still. The Saya one, so me like it more than anything else. So we're gonna get some patty before we go up in the hills. You know, to check out. So look all the way down here by myself. So we're gonna get some patties at Marriage. So as I said, do you like mother's patty more? Me like mother's patty more than juicy beef or tasty, the Saya one. Right, so we'll stop here and get some patties. Well, chef set up bar. Bless you, chef.
Yeah, brother.
How would I prepare pork?
Yeah, man, I'm going to stew peas. Where you coming from, brother? I'm not calling about this man, I'm not here much, man. You know who I see of you, huh? What take it now, man?
Pork no joke.
The sister see of you, boy.
And what kind of pork that I don't know? Stew pork.
Stew peas.
Oh, stew peas.
White rice.
Aye. So I'm to the ital stew.
Ital stew.
For the vegetarian.
Yeah, that's the alamini.
Alamini.
Yeah?
So you call it alamini?
Alamini. Body come and order, you just whip up
Okay. Pick on fast.
Pick on fast.
Hey. Don't order ital stew.
You Kenya too?
Eh?
You from Kenya too?
Well, you know the whole of our four parents are from Africa. So I would say for Africa, but born in Jamaica. Alright?
You know, so nothing Kenya.
No, everything in Jamaica.
Yeah, we know every soul of Kenya.
Yeah, this is.
What? Me not see no text, me only see missed call. Me a rapid man, bro. Yeah, man. Because it would come by 1 o'clock and after 1 hour.
Yeah, man, so here's a nice, lovely location. We got the pool, you have tennis court, you have the chef done to order anything you want. But right now, I'm prepare the pork ready. Anyway, one day, you try to say something and the man says, hold on, I'm so come here while I move so fast. Before you get to say anything, I'm already gone. Eh? Yeah, man, you can see, man.
You know, we love having sister, you know.
Okay.
Eh? No, man. Our sister, the marriage is 95. I hope not hook around. So we don't really cook.
So we have the fish down to order.
We don't know what they want. So.
Okay. So
roast fish, steamed fish,
yeah.
fish, whatever.
So anything you want, just come and put in the order.
Yeah, man, like this, you know. We don't cook it to order, we just cook it so when people come back. What really happens is like Wednesday day, not really fast like that, you know, because we get it community.
Yeah.
So we just cook small amount of stuff.
Okay.
Like this, you know, we have this and we have coffee and white rice.
Yeah.
We have few bits of jerk chicken still, you know.
Yeah. So I know them thing there for us. You can't done to it because I took them go wait a long while. Okay.
15 minutes.
So that's the fish, right? 10-15 minutes and the fish ready. And everything. Wow. Pork. We eat pork. Pork.
No, I'm a vegetarian.
I know she's a
He knows
vegetarian.
I'm a vegetarian. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Nice to see you.
The good book said no one is good. We just trying to be
Good.
No one is good.
No one is good. But when you have life, all is well.
All is well.
Yeah, you know that thing. I thought you go already.
Where?
Go home.
No, this is home.
Our home.
Jamaica
Yes,
home.
our home. Jamaica is home.
Okay.
I just move around a little bit, check some places, then I come back home. Yeah. Some pork.
She not leave Jamaica at all.
Yeah,
Can I get some juice, please, for my Rasta man?
Hey.
How can I go and I have my Rasta man already?
Hey, you getting some juice for you? Ooh.
Is it Rasta man?
No, look up,
This
me
is
a
not a
ballad.
Rasta.
That's why I asked.
You see me a ballad. And Shane a ballad too.
Rasta pick up the flowers in their skin. I always bad.
Yeah.
You trust him, Charlie?
Pick up the flowers in them.
Bad care.
You should be borrow.
Edward.
Yeah man, I see you man.
Seriously?
Yes, I.
Story.
If there's a Rasta she love, man.
Bad care.
Yeah, man. Bad
Short
here.
one.
Yeah.
Not you from my real life.
What's wrong with you being short?
No man.
Next time you should be borrow.
I hear that talk.
Yeah, man.
Edward. Bad care.
Yeah, man. Kenya.
You know, I'm going to create all one skill.
Yeah. Getting some drinks for Rasta, man.
Yeah. Which juice do you have? Juice.
What juice? We have tropical rhythm. We have.
Let me have the tropical then.
Huh?
Tropical.
How much?
47. One. And water.
As you saw, we cleared the road, some reason they decided to rain first of all.
I give him a lot of energy today.
Because you work hard.
So do you finally find the Rasta, man?
Change for me.
Finally find the Rasta, man. Ooh. Finally find the Rasta, man. Ooh. Finally find the Rasta, man. Take. For your Rasta, man. To finally find the Rasta, man. Hey. Yeah. Listen. So she finally find the Rasta, man. Hey, she finally find the Rasta, man. She finally.
So happy for me.
I'm so. What? No Rasta, no virgin. So she finally find the Rasta, man. Not no Rasta, virgin.
You know,
Yo,
you're
brother.
exaggerating.
I'm happy for you. We're gonna celebrate like Independence Day. What you saying, man? Yeah. Yo, if she come to Jamaica, she been dreaming for a Rasta. You know, and me I tell her she finally find the Rasta, man. You know, truly, finally find the Rasta, man. Ooh, finally find the Rasta, man. Wait, I mean, how does it feel, all the way Africa?
He thought I left. I haven't left. Tell him.
Can't left. She been talking about the Rasta. You know, have to go back to see my Rasta, man. I'm like, okay, no problem. And here we are. She finally.
Rasta.
Hey, hard-working Rasta. You like hard-working, man, you know?
Of course.
And she finally
No
find.
sweat, no honey.
You need to make that song. She finally find the Rasta, man. She finally find the Rasta. Give me two lyrics. She finally find the Rasta, man. Hey, she finally find it. Hey, he said she finally find the Rasta, man. In the yes,
Alright,
in
that is
matching the
it.
land. Hey.
My Rasta guy is happy now.
Hey. Happy, not lie. She's really, really happy.
Okay, guys. Alright, we want to leave Kina because of time.
Okay then. Rasta man, big up yourself. Much love, much strength. You know, as me
See you
say,
later.
look out for the Empress for me. You know, I remember the whole world is rooting for you right now. You know, everyone is cheering you on and say yes. Them and I know they're happy for thee.
He was asking me who you are.
Oh, you see, don't worry. I'm just a friend, right? So you don't have to worry about me. I'm no threat at all. I'm just a friend, you know, a good Samaritan from Jamaica. So no, nobody can go around her, not even for a second. You see me, Rasta man? Don't worry. D, congratulations, okay? To all Team D. To all Team D out there. I remember D no buy me no drink, you know. She make sure she buy the Rasta man. She said, Kino, I'm gonna buy my Rasta man a drink. She never say my friend. She said my Rasta man.
What is wrong having a Rasta man friend?
I'm happy. Listen, if she say Rasta man friend, I will understand. But she say my Rasta man, because she own the Rasta man, right? That's true. What you said, my Rasta man. I'm happy for you. Hey.
Alright, I gotta see you later, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm
alright.
still around. I'm not leaving.
She can't leave, she not let go. She tell me say she not let go, baby. And the Rasta man, do she finally find the Rasta man?
You know,
Hey, Mr. Shinale, go.
Anyway, that was really nice to meet him again. It felt so good. You never feeling when you're back home and you meet your people.
Meet your Rasta.
Good relationship with your neighbors, everybody, you know. All right, guys.
Blessed love, guys. So we're gonna keep it moving. Moving. All right.
Time. So,
All right, blessings, Jeremy General.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna link you up back again, right?
Yeah, man.
we'll be
Man,
back.
nice.
See you.
Yeah,
So like I'm know so we can circle for the roast fish,
Yeah, man.
the itals, stew, and everything. So blessed love to all, blessed love to all.
So good to be back home.
That you know, she finally find the Rasta man. Finally find the Rasta man. Chuck. The Kenyans finally find the Rasta man, you know.
So what you know when you, brother? You know when you?
The Rasta man.
You're only what chauffeur.
Yeah, call me that. Make sure so she's secure and safe in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, because we don't want no bad name for we, you know.
Yes.
We want them come, you see me?
So we have to make sure so she's secure in our country, because when we go to Africa, at the same way they're going to guide we and take care in Kenya, right? Of course. So we have to make sure so we put out the good work and she feel welcome in our country, like how everybody likes it.
You have to carry cow,
Alright. Ship 2 cow.
Ship cow, right?
Yes, that is it.
Bring 2 cow up on the plane.
All right.
Yeah.
We could later.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.